perception of the world has been augmented by our 24/7 connectedness. Common ground is the trend that really expresses this idea. It's about us as humankind, being connected regardless of your geographic location, the color of your skin, your age. We are one humankind. Aventus is perfect for common ground. As a cement look, it has that link to the urban and the city, but yet it's created in a range of warm and inviting tones. Genesis is perfect for this trend. It is blending of shapes. Still the tones are leaning more towards with the cement, the grays, and also bringing in those warmer beiges and neutrals. Common ground is expressed in our living spaces through a combination of shapes, sizes, cultural motifs that really speak to this love for humanity.
It's about humankind really expressing themselves and blending ideas, cultures, generations together in an optimistic and happy, enlightened experience.